What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my overview on the iconic SVE Drift wheel from the folks over at SVE. This is their 18-inch offering and it is designed for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. SVE's Drift wheel features a killer multi-spoke design that references styling cues found on higher-end European cars. The Drift wheel is currently available in two standout finishes, which include a tried and true gloss black and a very good looking satin bronze. Now, unlike other wheel offerings found on the market that feature quote-unquote generic measurements, SVE engineered this wheel to have correct offset and backspacing dimensions to properly fill out the wheel wells on 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. The SVE Drift wheel is currently available in either an 18x9 or an 18x10 inch offering. The 18x9 wheel incorporates a 5.95 inch backspacing, a positive 24mm offset, and it's going to tip the scale at approximately 24 pounds. Now the 18x10 wheel will have a backspacing of 6.36 inches, an offset of positive 22mm, and it's going to weigh in at approximately 25 pounds. Now as far as fitment goes for all the models and trims, this Drift wheel is engineered to fit all 1994 to 2004 Mustangs, and it's going to clear standard issue Cobra brakes as well as the M-2300-X kit from Ford Performance. They bolt directly to the factory hubs and are axles without the need for cumbersome hub-centric rings or special spacers. Now me personally, I would recommend picking up one of our spline drive lug nut kits so you don't run the risk of damaging a lug hole with those monstrous factory lug nuts. SVE's wheels do carry a limited lifetime structural warranty and a 2-year finish warranty that is going to give you a great peace of mind when considering an SVE wheel. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT like.